Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I've got a front living destination RV for you. This is the 2023 Sierra 401 FLX. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it if you guys are in the market for a destination RV, or if you're looking for the specifications like the length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes. All that will be down in the description of this video. And as always, if you guys like RV videos, if you like my content, like my style, consider hitting that like and subscribe button to help me hit my goal of 30,000 subscribers here in 2023. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. Again, it's the 2023 Sierra 401 FLX. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. It is definitely a pretty sharp looking camper, no doubt. It's also going to be in that upper middle segment. So it is extremely close to the luxury side of things, but it doesn't use some of the super expensive countertops. It's still got solid surface countertops, but you know, it's nothing that really breaks the bank. So this is a great unit if you want that kind of that tweener space. Two super slides. This one over here with the refrigerator, oven, and entertainment section. You got the island kitchen with the accent lighting. And then right over here is kind of where I'll start my tour. This is going to be the other super slide. So this one's going to be your seating booth. You got the recliners, the dinette. Absolutely massive windows due in part to the pretty high slide height. I'm 6 feet tall for reference. Probably put that around 6'2"-ish, 6'3", somewhere around there. The windows that they are using, most of them do open up, like here, here, and here. That one is just for a good view, but they are all tinted to help cool the camper, you know, help the, you know, the kind of the longevity of the furniture on the inside. They're also going to come with the old Dracula shades. You don't have to worry about sizzling up in this bad boy. Dinette with the four seats, with the 4 chairs. Sit down, play some cards, have some breakfast. And then you have your theater seating directly across from the TV. And you notice where the island is positioned, it doesn't get in the way of that view. So I really like that feature. You're also going to see this thing has a ton of floor space, you know, walking around, even around the island, which is pretty nice. I mean, look at all that just right as you walk in. So pretty cool. Well thought out floor plan for sure. Above the theater seating, you're also going to notice you do get some added storage. Forgot to turn on this light here. Good little reading lights right above that theater seating. You're going to get a little bit more storage right there. You can double tap to light up these cup holders as well. Heading up the back, you do get a sleeper sofa. So this will come out to right about here, I would say, and that's going to make a full-size bed. Now, I have the protective barrier on it just in case for when we go to ship this thing so nothing happens to those front windows. But you're going to see a lot of good natural light can come out of this. Emergency exit over here on the side, so pull, push, and pop. You have outlet, countertop, and countertop space, which is always a plus. And then above, you're also going to get some added storage. And just for the heck of it, they went ahead and added in, you know, that textured glass there, which I think just looks really, you know, nice and sharp. And babe, if you're watching, I love you. Then you got your King Wi-Fi connection right there, so you can call up like, you know, Verizon or AT&T, get some 4G or LTE up in here. I know working on the road is a little bit more common these days, so that will, you know, aid that for you. Absolutely no problem. Above the slides too, what I really like is a nice ambient glow with that accent lighting. You know, if all the lights are off and you're coming out, you know, in the middle of the night to get a little snack from that massive refrigerator, you are good to go. So this slide over here, again, entertainment, oven, and refrigerator. The slide height is going to be just a little bit taller over on this side, and it's going to have the no carpet down in the slide. So it's going to be kind of that box slide to help support a little bit of that additional weight. You got the fireplace, which puts out 5,100 BTUs of heat. A couple different color modes there as well. And then the Connex sound system with the A, B, and C. So that's going to be inside, outside, and both sides. Little DVD player built in with the USB and the aux cord to get some music playing. Same storage both left and right, and the same goes for the TV. It's also a Connex TV as well, and it's sitting on a bracket, sitting on a swivel, so whether you are sitting down at the recliner and looking straight on, or, you know, how I like to watch TV, just kind of with my head there, kicking my feet up and relaxing, you can pull that out and angle it to whichever, you know, angle suits you best. Again, you got the old solid surface countertops. Plenty of pull-out drawers over here. New backsplash for the 2023. It's looking pretty good. Outlet. Big old fancy microwave. Then you got storage to the left, right, and above. And one thing that I do like about the storage is you didn't hear this slam down. It does have that soft close right there. Swinging around to your island kitchen, you get some accent lighting over here on this side. And I like the decor that they put. They changed this up. They got that little kind of silver, kind of like wallpaper material. You're also going to see you got a little outlet and a switch for the accent lighting as well. But I think this is just looking sharp in general. You're going to have your single undermounted stainless steel bowl here underneath there. Still got the packing tape. Haven't quite unloaded this one. And then you got your faucet. Whoosh, 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 hitting those dishes from all angles with that little snake job. Underneath here, you get some access to your plumbing and a little bit of extra storage. A couple more pull-out drawers. Geez, oh Pete's. Forgot to show you. You got a big old fan right there. That's just nice in general. Help, circulate some of the air. Another max air fan to help suck out the steam or the stink from whatever you're cooking. And then if somebody knows whatever in the world those are called, it's just looking fancy. Even the light bulbs are looking real sharp. I think that's pretty darn neat. Might be my favorite thing about the camper. Who knows? One of your two ACs are going to be right in here, and you'll notice you got the dump valve open, which will disproportionately pump the cool air into this area. Otherwise, you can close it out and evenly send it throughout the track. Massive LG refrigerator. This is going to be a residential style, so this thing is absolutely massive. Need to plug it into electric at the campground. They got the little safety latch here, which is threaded in there comically long. I mean, this thing would never... Your refrigerator would pop open before the doors are coming in. I mean, look how excessive that is. But anyway, safety first, I suppose. And then for anyone that was curious, I actually had a lot of people write out, ask me how the old boy did yesterday playing baseball. They had the tough team from Chillicothe, all we heard. And, man, I'll tell you what, I've never seen a baseball score that high in my life. We smoked them 41-zip. There's a run rule, but apparently it only goes after 3.5 innings. So we got, 3 innings in about 4 hours. And as you could imagine how enjoyable that was, ice maker right there. Just took forever. You would think you'd be excited about it, but 41 runs of kids that have a hard time catching and pitching is brutal. Fuse box. Behind door number 1. A little bit of storage in your control panel, so this helps you get your slides in and out. I do like this because they actually put all the slides out on one connection. There's going to be 3 slides in this. The 2 here in the front living that you saw, and then 1 in the bedroom. Your awning, your different light controls, heated holding tanks, which is important for extended camping. So a little bit later in the season, a little bit earlier in the season. It's just nice to have. Water pump, gray 1, gray 2. And this is where you check, all the fill levels as well. So that's pretty handy all in one spot. You got your thermostat for your heat and your AC. The max air fan, which I showed you, that was just above the oven there. So I like the placement on that. And then you got a ton of storage up here as well. Got the hubcaps still got to put on. But check that out. I mean, that's pretty nice. That goes all the way from here up against the wall. And again, I think that glass is just looking nice. But yeah. Give you another little look-a-roonski around here. I think that'd make a pretty good thumbnail. I think I'll put my face right about there. That'd be special. More storage. More storage. You got the little hanging doodads right there. Looking like a little cowboy hat. Central vac system. The other thermostat for your air excel back here in the bedroom. This is also the control for the fan. Bathroom. Pretty darn good size. So I'm a bigger dude. 6 foot, 290 pounds. It's the old porcelain foot flush throne right there. Little cubby with a towel. And then I love the shower. As a bigger guy, sometimes these, showers aren't very friendly to us. And this one I fit into, absolutely no problem. It's also got the, well here, let me jump on in here. It's got the old Tri-Glide glass series so you can get in and out a little bit easier. And just for size reference, again, Doesn't get much better than that. I mean, it's just like a shower inside my house. I mean, it's not any problem at all. You know, unless you are taller than whatever this height there is, you're not having, you know, any issues at all. Another max air fan for a different kind of steam or stink. You're good to go. Control for that right here. Outlet, another sink, more storage and access to your plumbing. The old bowling gun, got a bowling banquet tonight. Crushed it. This is the week that's fun. We get a bunch of rewards, get a little extra money, which I'm sure the wife will confiscate immediately. Have a couple drinks though and sneak a couple bucks into my pocket, hopefully. At least a little bit. I kind of go by the rule of about 1/5. 1/5 of what I make after all the bills and all that will probably end up going to me. And that includes whatever I'm saving. Real nice size bed. Got the screen door for the sliding glass door sitting right up there. There is some storage up underneath, but I don't want to get into removing the boxes. Overhead storage. You're also going to see both of these windows do open up for a nice cross breeze. You got another little cubby right there. You got your clock, thermostat, control for the fan, which is right there. And then right over here, you got your own entrance, which I'm a big fan of. And then you're also going to see you got a little dresser set up. So you're going to have 2 drawers that are just like this. And then 2 bigger drawers that are like that. And again, you got the soft close. A little bit of countertop space and a place for a TV. So you got your TV backer right there. You know, backed up with a little bit of extra wood in there. You know, hang up a pretty good sized TV. I bet you could do like a 50 or 60 inch, no problem. And then you have the appropriate plugins as well. Now this one that I have here in stock, it does not have the washer and dryer, but you can opt to put that in, whether you order one from the manufacturer, you know, or not. But you got your prepping for it right down there for your hot and cold water access along with the appropriate plugins. It also just keeps going in terms of storage. Here's the other AC. Again, you got the dump valves, so if you want all the air to push down in here while you're sleeping, you're more than able to do so. It's a good-looking RV salesman right there. Man, it's been a good day. I hope you guys are having a good day. I sold a couple campers. Sold 2 today. And, you know, any day you come in and just sell one, that's always nice. Plus, they were super fun people to deal with. One was off YouTube. The other one was just one that was, you know, working with the company. Came in as kind of a generic lead. But, yeah, it's always nice. Come in and make a little bit of money and give people some good deals. One was from California, and the other one was from, I think it was Indiana. But anyway, 2023 Sierra 401 FLX. If you guys, you know, dig the tour, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Help me out hitting my goals. Now I'm going to walk you around the outside and kind of show you where everything is. Again, the specifications will be down in the description, like the length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, all that will be down there. Those little 2 circles, that is going to be for your Zone B, your outside speakers. You're also going to notice for the sliding glass door, they went ahead and just put in the flexible stairs that can roll up in case you build a balcony off of it. And then back here, they went ahead and put in the solid entry steps, you know, in case you're in some inclement weather, need to get in there. They got the little sand strip, all that good stuff. Cable outlet and outlets to plug in a TV. Awnings have that, or that awning has the LED lights. Oh, I forgot to show you this. LP Quick Connect right here, so that way you can hook up a grill and get cooking. Direct link right to your propane tanks, which is always a perk. If I'm camping, I'm grilling. Fully walkable roof. This is eligible for 2 slide toppers, so if you're not familiar with the slide topper, it's basically a piece of awning that goes from here to here. So that way it stops all the potential debris from landing on top to avoid any leaks from when you kind of, you know, crunch it in. This is going to be storage for under the bed access, and I do like having this. I know some people aren't a big fan of it. You know, I personally am, but it just gives you a way to kind of get some more functional use out of the space. And of course it does lock. So I hear people, that's their main gripe is, you know, they're creeped out that people can get in there. Nobody's getting in there. Magnetic latch, which is a plus. This is where you plug the camper in. That's going to be your sewer outlet connection. You can also see fully enclosed underbelly. They call it the Armor Core abs. So it's 6-foot paneling. all your valves for your gray tanks. Outside shower, freshwater connection, city water connection, and your black tank flush, which if you're not familiar with that, it's basically a sprinkler system there for your poop tank. All your different satellite hookups, and the back end of your Furrion hot water heater, which is also a very nice hot water heater. For sure. Fresh water drain right there. And yeah, I think that about wraps it up. You got a couple LED lights there up under that front little area. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Hope to stick around and see you for next time. But drop a comment, let me know what you think. My name was Hunter, or it's not was, my name is Hunter, and this is the 2023 Sierra 401 FLX. Have a good day. See ya.